Next thing is this helical motion of charged particles and aurora borealis. So this is something that you read, but it is not directly related to the course. It is for your own knowledge. Please read this and understand how the colors are produced at the poles of this earth. So colors are produced on the poles of earth, which is called aurora borealis. So how this is produced? So read this on your own. Now let us see this new topic, which is motion in combined electric and magnetic field. So till now we were talking only in the motion in magnetic field. Now we are combining both. We have both electric and magnetic fields. So this is also called velocity selector. So how the velocity is selected using this? So let us see. So previously what we saw, when there is velocity is perpendicular, let us say this is velocity and this is magnetic field. So if both are perfectly perpendicular, so what will happen? So particle will start moving in a circular path. Particle will start moving in a circular path. Now if they are not perfectly perpendicular, there is some angle. So what was happening then? So particle was moving in helical path, helical or spring like paths. So these two things must be clear to you. Now we are combining both electric and magnetic fields. Now we have two type of fields. So this is also called velocity selector. Many times 1 mark question comes in your exam, that how can we select a velocity, a particular velocity for a charged particle. So we at that question you use this formula, which is the velocity selector. So now let us do this. You know that charge q moving with velocity v. So we know we have a charge that is moving with the velocity v in presence of both electric and magnetic fields. So now we have both electric as well as magnetic field experiences a force. So what is the force? F is equal to QE. This is for because of electric field and this is because of the magnetic field. Fe plus Fb. So Fe is QE. So this is electric force. Now what is the magnetic force? Fb is QV cross B. So these are two type of forces. So first is electric force, second one is magnetic force. So if a particle is moving with some velocity v, this is the total force. Now we have to consider a special case. So this is special case in which electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular. What is this special case? Electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the velocity of the particles. So what happens? Suppose this was the particle r. This is our particle. It is moving in this x direction. Now we have electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the velocity of particle. So let us say this particle is going in this direction with velocity v. Now what is the direction of magnetic field? First let us say this is the direction of magnetic field. So here it is the direction of the magnetic field. So what is the third direction? This is the third direction. This is the direction of electric field. So electric field in this z direction, magnetic field in y direction and particle moving is in x direction. All three are in perpendicular directions. This is V, this is E and this is B. All three are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let us see what will happen in this case. So in this case E is in y direction, they have shown this as y, this as z. You can choose them. You can choose them accordingly. So E is equal to Ej. So this is in y direction, y is j. Okay, j cap. B is equal to bk cap. So B is in z direction, z is k cap, and V is equal to Vi because x is I. So what we have chosen, all three are perpendicular. V is in x direction, this electric field in y direction, and this B in z direction. All three are perpendicular. So what will happen in this case? So now first, this has two parts, electric force as well as magnetic force. So now let us see what is happening. Fe is equal to QE. So definitely this, let us put the values first. Q, E is simply Ej. So what will happen? The electric force will be in the same direction as the electric field. So electric field is in this direction. So electric force is also in the same direction. So what we saw from this equation, we have taken this first electric force. Electric force is in the same direction as the electric field because it is the direct multiplication. QEJ hat. Now let us see what is this magnetic force. Now let us see this second part, magnetic force. F is equal to Q V cross B. This is the formula for magnetic force. Now Q is same. This does not have any direction. V is Vi. We know this is in x direction, Vi, and this B is equal to Bk. So this was in z direction. This was in z direction. This was in x direction. Cross K. So we know that I cross K, since there are I cross J is K, but here there is a difference, J is missing. So what will happen? We will have minus J here, minus J here. So QVI cross BK, that will simply QVB, they have forgotten to write V. QVB and direction is minus J, direction is minus J. So again see it once again, what we have, QVI cross BK. So QVB, they have forgotten to write V here. So QVB, and this I cross K is minus J, minus J. So if you compare, this electrostatic force is in positive J direction and this magnetic force is in negative J direction here. So this magnetic force is in negative J direction, that means negative Y. This electric force is in positive J direction. So now let us see what will happen in this case. So we have reached up to this point that electric field and electric force is in positive J direction or positive Y direction, and this magnetic force is in negative J direction, negative J direction. So this is magnetic force, this is electric force. Now since they have forgot to write V here, so what we have, now let us put here in this equation. So let us put here in this equation. So F is equal to, what is F is equal to? Fe. So Fe is QEJ. Okay. Now plus FB, FB is equal to minus QVBJ, minus QVBJ. So this is our equation for force. Now let us take Q common. So what we have? QE minus, this Q is common, VB, and J is also common. So this is our equation, QE minus VB into J. So this is our equation in this case. So thus electric and magnetic forces are in opposite direction as shown in figure. So this is electric field or electric force and this is magnetic force. So both the forces are in opposite direction. Electric and magnetic forces are opposite in opposite directions.